If you've forgotten your password for GetSocial or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the GetSocial login page. Go to the official GetSocial website and locate the login section. This is where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use GetSocial to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from GetSocial. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Open the email and click on the provided link. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it to complete the reset process. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your GetSocial account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GetSocial support for further assistance.